All right, let's get straight back to Cyclone Alfred now. And joining me is meteorologist from Sky News Weather, Alison Osborne. Alison, thanks for your time. Look, how is Alfred tracking right now as we go to air?
Sharri, since the system made quite an erratic stall for much of this morning, it has readopted its westward track towards the southeast Queensland coast this evening. It has retained its strength as a Category 2 system, but the impacts are already being felt. We've seen damaging winds impact parts of the Byron region in northeastern New South Wales, bringing down power lines, as we can see here at Ballina. And at the same time, wave heights have been on average between 7 and 9 metres off the southeast Queensland coast. And definitely that has resulted in abnormally high tides swallowing beaches. Fairly dangerous conditions there. Looking at the rain radar, we can see wave after wave of showers. They've rolled on through on that leading edge of Tropical Cyclone Alfred today, but it's that wall of water we can see out to sea. That is what is coming. If we zoom out and take a look at the current tropical cyclone warning, that has not changed. Gale force winds underway are expected within 24 hours between Double Island Point in Queensland and Grafton in New South Wales.
So landfall is looking later than it was initially forecast. We're now looking still in the early hours of Saturday morning. So what does that mean for everyone in the path of the storm?
Similar impacts are expected to originally forecast, Sharri, but there is the risk that the rain event to follow may be prolonged, exacerbating that risk. Now, we're still tracking a coastal crossing between Noosa and Coolangatta, close to Brisbane in the early hours of Saturday morning. This will put the most destructive winds and the heaviest rain south of that system, firmly south of Brisbane at this stage, so around the Gold Coast and the Byron coast. So we're watching for destructive winds and heavy rain. 24-hour rainfall totals in this region could reach up to 450 millimetres, and destructive winds could exceed 155. But damaging winds are very far-reaching, right down to the Coffs Coast during Friday and Saturday. The fallout and what is prompting evacuation orders right now, flood warnings, with major flood warnings now current for the northern rivers and the mid-north. We're likely to see that flooding really start to build from Friday night, Sharri.
All right, Alison Osborne from Sky News Weather, appreciate your time.